guys, it's been a while since gumawa ako ng kahit na anong video and it's been a while also na nandito ako sa Batangas. And for today's video, meron tayong i-unpack. So this is something from CO, the collectible store, and particularly nakuha ko tong item na to sa branch nila sa The Outlets at iba. So ito yung i-unpack natin. Yan. So ito yung FIFA 365 Adrenaline XL 2026 official trading card. So yan. Pakita ko na yung likod. So by the way, this is the starter set pack. So yung contents niya is the collector's album, the magazine guide, 18 cards, so 6 packs yun, and 3 limited edition cards. So ito yung likod niya. Makita ko lang. So tara, let's unpack. So ito nga yung i-unpack natin today. Yeah. The Adrenaline XL 2026 official trading cards, so featuring football stars, mainly from Europe, pero I'm sure merong ibang nations dyan like South America, maybe North America also. And by the way, this is a FIFA 365 starter set pack. So open na natin. So dito ko siya sa taas. Oh! Wala ba ako energy today? So as you can see, meron na lang nakikita ang album. So this is the album. And ito yung pinaka-album niya. So it's like a normal binder for your cards. And it also has the page numbers na pwede mong ilagay, pwedeng upper left, upper right ng bawat page. Ayan, so you can put it upper left or upper right, bahala ka saan siya lalagay. So yun, that's the first content. This is the other content naman niya. Oh, Mo Salah. Bakit parang iba yung cover dito? Si Salah pala. Ayan, Mo Salah. It's gonna leave after the season. So bummer. So by the way, this is the cover nung album, and dito sa likod makikita natin kung ano yung official parts ng collection, no? So we have the core cards, the power cards, the jewel cards, the gold, and the fans. So nung sa mga kung nasabaybayan nyo yung mga stories ko itong mga nakaraan, meron tayong nakuha isang jewel cut or jewel piece, no? Yung kay Kvaratskhelia na elite cut niya. So ang ganda nun. Yeah. So that's the first part of the album. Ito yung isa pa na cover din ng album. So dun sa dalawang covers na makikita nyo kung ano yung mga involved na teams. So may PSV Eindhoven, Sporting Lisbon, Al Nassr, malamang dito si Cristiano Ronaldo. Ayan, so we have Atletico Madrid, Barcelona, Real Madrid, then of course yung Road to FIFA World Cup 2026 kasi this year na yun. So the jewel cards, the fans favorites, and yung fans favorites yung medyo madami. So balikan natin yung isa pa, no? Yung naunang nakuha natin. So ayan, so Botafogo, more teams involved. Botafogo, Liverpool, come on Liverpool, Olympique de Marseille, Paris. I'm not sure if this is Paris Saint-Germain or Paris lang, pero mukhang Paris Saint-Germain siya kasi dito sila Donnarumma eh. Medyo outdated na to since si Donnarumma wala na sa PSG, diba? So Leverkusen, Ajax, Milan, Inter, Olympiacos, and Frankfurt. Ayan, so yung mga gold pa pala, yung gold na yan. So of course, una-una si Mohamed Salah dyan. Kahit na medyo malungkot tayo since si Mo ay, yun nga, aalis na ng Liverpool after this season. So now, ito naman yung kasunod. Yung official guide. So di ko na siya bubuksan. I'm just gonna show you what's inside na lang ng na mabilisan. So, the table of contents right there. Then, at the parang forward lang, no? Ayan. So, this is the game rules. Then the card guide dito sa page na to. Card guide. So, pinapakita lang dyan kung ano yung laman o yung mga kasali talaga na kinds of cards. So, momentum cards, jewel cards. Yung momentum cards pala, by the way, di siya kasama sa collection. But, if you can have it, you can find it, diba? Itago mo. Kasi very valuable siya. Then, the invincible cards. And then, the fans' favorites. So, sinasabi dyan na mayroong parallel version. No? So, yung fans version kasi, isang card lang siya, pero yung sinasabi na parallel version, iba-iba yung kulay ng background. So, for example, itong card ni Mo Salah na fan favorite, yung default niya kasi, puti lang. Tapos, yung mga parallel colors niya, yan, may blue, red the background, pink, orange, green, and then gold. So, dito rin sinasabi din dito kung gaano karami yung, o kung gaano kalaki yung chance na makakuha ka ng parallels. So, I think meron na ako nakuha parallels before na isang player. Nalimutan ko lang ko sila pero papakita ko lang sa inyo. Tapos, ayan, yung autograph cards. Ayan, meron din autograph cards sa bawat packs na hindi lahat meron. So, again, by chance din siya. So, very limited din siya, no? And kung makikita natin dito, ito yung mga players na merong autograph cards. So, 2,500 cards all over the world. So, good luck. Ayan, tapos ito yung sign na meron na official, no? Yung autograph card na meron ka. So, top rated cards, makikita natin, no? Sa bawat kind of cards, yung may pinakamataas. So, pinapakita lang. Mo Salah representing Liverpool again, top dominator card, and then the top titan card is Virgil van Dijk. So, yes, come on! Tapos ito yung instructions on how to play online. So you can also play online, no? With this card. So yung bawat card kasi merong QR code sa likod. Yun pwede nung gamitin para makapag-unlock kayo ng mga online card packs naman. Just in case you want to play online. Yan. Tapos yan, dito sa part na to pinapakita din na pwede kayong makagawa ng sarili mo panini card. So just follow the instructions here. Nasa page na yan. And then what's next? Ayun, yung sinasabi nga natin na limited edition cards na available lang kapag nag-purchase ka ng isang starter set. So, ayan, may nakikita na akong limited edition cards. So, papakita natin later on kasi na yung mga yan. And then, ito na nga, yung players and their cards na available for us to collect. So, meron 225 base cards, 227 special cards, representing 300 plus players. And kasi ito yung checklist. Yung checklist na to, yung parang sa cover natin kanina. Ayan. So that's the magazine. And then, tingin ko, nakabukas na rin yung limited edition. So, alamin na lang natin kasi itong mga limited edition na nakuha natin. So, we'll start right here. Ayan. So, unang natin nakuha ay si Rodri. And then, Federico Valverde, Real Madrid. Oh, ito pala, Spain. Ayan, Spain. Federico Valverde. And then, Wata. Liverpool player, yes. Wataru Endo, representing Liverpool and Japan. He is also the current captain of the Japanese football team. So, yun na nakuha natin tatlong limited edition cards. And now, sabi nga, di ba, tatlong packs yung laman na ito. Kasi, 18. 18, tama, 18. 18 cards. Yung sabing nakalagay dito. As per this pack. Ayan, 18 cards. So, buksan natin sila isa. So, ihuli ko na yung dalawang yung dalawang packs na to na merong image ni Mo kasi yun, bias tayo. So, unahin na natin to. So, just like how we did it before, we're gonna open it from the back. Pero parang may nagpasilip na ng sarili ng card. So, buksan natin and then pakita na natin kagad. So, Nathaniel Brown from Frankfurt. Then Tico Land from PSV. Edmond Tabshoba from Leverkusen. Robin Koch. Ayan guys, so saktong-sakto. Yan, saktong-sakto. Meron tayong parallel cards ni Mike Maignan, goalkeeper for ng AC Milan saka ng France. And ito yung sinasabi ko kanina sa inyo, no? Na parallel cards. So, same designs, pero different yung color ng background. So, ayan, saktong-sakto. Meron tayong example ng parallel cards. So, galing, no? Nakakuha agad tayo ng parallel cards. So, that's our first pack. We'll proceed with the next one. We'll open it like this again. And, ayun, no? May nagpapasilip na agad, no? Yung kulit. So, natin hintayin. Reveal na natin sila, no? So, Julian Biancone, Olympiacos, Alex Telles, former Man U player. Ayan. Bertrand Traore, Ajax. Then a Dominator card, si Conrad Harder ng Sporting. Then Giovanni Quenda, Sporting. And then France, Randall Colomwani. Ayan. So, hindi lang clubs yun nandito, no? Tulad nga nung nakita natin kanina si Rodri, no? Pero Spain yung nare-represent niya. Ayan. So that's the second pack, and then lastly our final one before we end our video, and you can see someone already representing Olympic Marseille. We have Geronimo Rulli. Ayan. May Giovanni Quenda na naman tayo, so may doubles agad ako. Eder Militao, then a club badge ng Olympiacos, and then ayan o, ayun na naman, bago na naman tayong parallel card, di ba? Randall Colomwani, isang puti, isang red. And let's see, a legend card, Gerard Piqué. Yes, nice. So we can see medyo maganda-ganda yung kuha natin today, pero like I said, simula pa lang tayo dito, and probably pag dumami-dami na to, yun na, magsisimula na tayo naka-experience ng pagkuha ng mga doubles mas madalas. So let's just go through all of the cards again. So yan, si Endo, Valverde, Rodri, Rodri representing Spain, Colomwani, Quenda, Harder. Yan, let's just go and browse all the cards. Yung Quenda natin na isa kulay, hindi, wala pala, hindi pala siya naka, normal card lang pala. Yan. So there you go. We just completed and packing our starter set ng FIFA 365 Adrenaline XL 2026 official trading cards. So again, we'd like to say our thanks to CO The Collectible Store, kasi sila yung mayroong ganito talaga. Sila official, or one of the official retailers na mayroong gano'n, no? So thank you so much, CO. Let's collect. And with that, we're going to end the video. So thank you so much for watching, and let's have a good day. Thank you so much. Let's collect. Ching.